Alright guys, I got some damage here to my peppers and it's up high. So I wanted to know what was going on. Since the garden's fenced in and there's no deer in here. So you do a little looking around. And then you find them. Can you see them? Right there. Hornworm. There he is. He's got to go bye-bye. They can do so much damage in a short amount of time. Look at all this. Oh, that's gone. I gotta check everything else, make sure there's none on my tomatoes. Because sometimes you don't even notice a couple leaves missing. He's definitely longer than my index finger. It's pretty big. See, they call him hornworm. Can you see the horn? No more food from my garden. Look at all the damage he's done. At least I caught him early. He didn't do too much damage. Check out these. The way you spot them, because they blend in so well, just look for any chewed off leaves. And usually up top. This looks okay. Oh. Okay. Now the fun begins. Okay, let me put this one down. Oh. See here? Here? There has to be one here. See this is missing here? They blend in so well and it's starting to be nighttime and they hide under the leaves. I gotta find them. I don't see them. Oh, I found them. Do you see them? Look at that. He is right here. Underneath. All right. There's another one. See, I brought my glove down because I do not like touching these guys. Okay, we got 2 hornworms so far. Let me check for more. Okay, I don't see any more here. And I have a row over here. I just got to check these. So like I said, damage is usually always on top first. Here we go. Leaves are missing. See, there's leaves missing here. And there's leaves missing here. See that? And there's so many leaves that you don't even notice at first. But now I gotta find them. There's not that much damage. So many leaves. It'll be harder to find them. If it's during the day, they usually come on top of the leaves and you can see them a lot easier. But it's around 7:30. So there's damage here, damage here, damage up here. So he should be, this one has more. Can I find him? Because he's smaller, I think. And he's hiding. Let me shut you guys off for a minute. All right, I was just about ready to give up. And then I noticed this branch right here is eaten. And if you look there, can you see him hiding? There he is. So I'm just gonna take this branch. There. All right, so I got 3. I think that's all I have for now. These things are pretty and ugly at the same time. All right. I'm glad I didn't give up. I was about to though. So that's what you have to look for when you see your leaves eaten. And it could be the dreaded hornworm, which can, if left for a week, it could eat like every leaf off your tomato plant. Glad I found them. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.